Wow, look at that. Beautiful golden oyster mushrooms.
I got a nice big bag of golden oyster spawn from North Spore. Let's figure out how to turn this into some mushrooms.
So I can see this bag is well myceliated, completely colonized, and it's starting to form some primordia up here, which tells me that it's time to put it into my North Spore BoomRoom and make some mushrooms. This is my North Spore BoomRoom. Here's my mushroom fruiting chamber with a humidifier and a controller and fan for controlling the conditions inside. I'm gonna cut this bag open and get it ready to fruit some delicious golden oyster mushrooms. Ooh, pretty little primordia that's gonna form a whole bunch of golden oysters. So I've got my mushroom block all set up. I'm gonna try time-lapsing it to see what happens. Once they've formed pins, oyster mushrooms grow really fast. These took about 3 days before I decided to harvest them. So vibrant. Wow, look at this cluster of golden oysters I grew. Holy cow. Come in with my knife and just try to cut this off in one big cluster because I want to cook this as one big cluster. Woo. Oh yeah, there we go. Whew. Yes. When I have oyster mushrooms this pretty, I like to cook them whole cluster. I press them down the pan to really make a nice crust and add some oil and some salt and just keep pressing them down with a bunch of pressure on them. Turn them over every once in a while and they're a nice sizzle. So add some more oil, add a little more salt, and just keep turning them back and forth, pressing them, really developing that crust. You don't want it to brown. You want to take a hot pan, put it on top. They're looking good. And then of course add a little bit of butter, some thyme, a piece of garlic, and just go ahead and baste that butter over as I continue to fry them and develop that crust. These are so good. Yeah, a little bit of sherry vinegar there, just to balance that acidity with all the fattiness. Oh, it looks so good. Yum, yum. Ooh, yes. All right, let's try this whole cluster cooked golden oyster. Oh, it's crunchy and sweet, nutty, so much umami. Wow, those are so tasty. Thanks, North Spore.